How do you keep track of your payments for tax? Well, there are simple things here. So you have a quarterly activity statement or maybe a monthly activity statement. It depends on a couple of things. So what's the level of your wages and how much tax are you withholding from your employees? That may determine whether you're on a monthly activity statement for your wages withholding or a quarterly activity statement for your wages withholding. Do you pay your GST quarterly or monthly or even annually? So it depends on the time that you registered. If you're a small business, very little GST, then you may have chosen to do an annual option and you'll have to submit that before you lodge your tax return each year. But generally, most small, medium businesses are using a quarterly activity statement to submit their GST. So you may choose to be on monthly, and if you're an importer and getting concessions on deferred GST on imports, then you would be having to lodge monthly. But generally most businesses lodge their GST on a quarterly basis. So that could mean that you're lodging monthly pay-as-you-go withholding and quarterly for GST. Now, if you are paying installments of tax for your business, for your investment earnings, then you'll also be paying those on a quarterly basis, and they will be on your activity statement as well. So they are installments based on an estimate of what your tax position is going to be for the current year that you are in. And when you lodge your tax return, you're going to get a credit for those installments that you have paid. But we need to keep an eye on that, because you could be lured into, or you could be stuck in a situation where you are overpaying your installments, and at the end when you lodge your return you're going to get a huge refund. Now that's not a good thing, because it means you've been paying tax, you've been making cash payments to the tax office when you didn't need to. You could have used that cash better in your business to grow your business. On the other side, if you've underestimated your taxes or you've not set aside enough, you could be stuck with a large tax problem when you lodge your tax return.